So let me ask, Rafa, you have worked with so many associations. What is the most common mistakes HOA board members make that puts them at risk, that gets them in trouble all the time?
Sure. So that's a great question. I think what you find happening a lot is they don't truly understand the responsibility that they have to their residents and to the association in general. You know, in legal terms, we talk about it as fiduciary, their responsibility of what they need to do. And many times they come in not knowing any better, but they come in just with whatever agenda or whatever issue that they feel they want addressed. And really managing an association is much more than just that one or two challenge that they feel they need to fix. There's so much that goes into it. I won't dive too deep into it, but that's why it's so important. And I'm happy to have Eric today on the show, is because we'll talk a little bit about the importance of the education for board members and what their role as well as their responsibilities within the community are. Additionally, sometimes they miss the part of how they need to work in partnership with everyone that services that community, whether it be the attorney, whether it be the management company, whether it be the pool operator. You know, it's a true partnership. It's not you need to do this and that's what you need to do because I'm the boss. If you want to really execute that vision that you have as a board member, it's imperative that you're working in partnership with all those that serve your community.
And I'm sure Eric has some really nice, juicy stories of people who's gotten in trouble.
Well, ask Raphael, you know, what should board members do? How do they get in trouble? And I think what Raphael was saying and alluding to, excuse me, is the fact that sometimes they think they know something when they don't, okay, and they have to ask questions. So why is that important this year? Because this year something happened that I worked my whole career to get established, and what is it? It's mandatory education for board members. Now it's something that board members must do. If you don't get educated, go take an educational class. Within 90 days of getting on the board, you are automatically off the board. And not only that, not only do you have to take that first 4-hour educational class, the legislature passed a law that said, guess what? Every year going forward, you have to take continuing education, like community association managers, like attorneys. The bottom line is because there's a lot to know.
So,
there's really a lot to know.
So you're the one that we have to thank for that.
Yes, I'll be leaving now.
Because, I mean, I can hear a lot of people go like, this is a non-paid job. Like, you know, I'm giving my time away, and why do I have to now go to school for this? This is going to take more time. So obviously there's reasons. But for the ones of us that have some trouble processing that.
Well, you know what? I'm sorry.
No.
I'll say this, and I bet you Raphael feels the same way. People that really, truly care about their community, they are very happy that these educational opportunities are there for them.
That's right.